Good morning. It is March 16th, and it is our first long-distance learning day. My mission today is to just get you into Fusion 360 and make sure everybody's ready to start our challenges. Super easy. Now, how are you going to do that? In our stream, well, I guess it's not that stream, it's the other stream. You're going to see a link, Fusion 360, cloud-based version link. When you click there, it's going to open up this window. Here, this page is actually really tricky to find, but I have it on Google Classroom, so it's nice and easy for you. Now that we're in this page, we're going to click Access Now. This is where you're going to create an account if you haven't done so. Now, warning, when you go to create an account, you can't, from what I heard, you can't use a school email. You need to use a personal email because it gets sent to spam or blocked or something like that. However, this is the same company that we use for our AutoCAD stuff, so it's tried and true. It's a great service. So you're going to make your account, then you're going to log in. Alright, now when you first log in, it's not going to look exactly like mine because I've made a team already. A team is really just like a folder to hold all your stuff. So you're going to make a team and it should show up in this screen. You're then going to create projects from here. And a project would be almost like a folder to hold all the parts that you're going to be making. So you're going to create a project, give it a name, day 1 is fine. You can delete projects later, so you don't have to be married to it. Now that we're here, you can upload part files from Autodesk Inventor into Fusion, but I just want you to create a new Fusion design. This is like a weird marriage of part and assembly files, but we'll be getting into that in a little bit. Once you're in Fusion 360, your focus today is to get comfortable with the layout. It's a little bit different from Inventor, but there's a lot of similarities. Instead of a ribbon with tabs, you have these like ribbon tabs. All your sketch tools are within this folder. These are your feature tools, your modify tools with fillet, chamfer, all these things that you do to a 3D object. Construct is going to be, well, yeah, you can read it. I don't have to read everything to you. But what you should do is create a basic 3D model of something. I want you to sketch, extrude, or revolve, or sweep some object with this interface. And I want you to send me a snip of what you did. Happy designing!